Sarah, tell me the truth. Do you get nervous when you meet new people?
Honestly, Mike, yes, sometimes I do. I see someone interesting, I want to say hello, but then I stop. I feel shy.
Me too. My hands get sweaty. I think, what if I make a mistake? What if I look silly?
That is a very normal feeling. But today, we are going to stop that fear.
Yes. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Top English channel. I am Mike.
And I am Sarah. Today, we are learning the best phrases for meeting new friends.
These phrases are simple, they are natural, and they will help you feel confident.
Before we start, please click that like button. It helps other students find our lessons. And if you are new here, hit subscribe.
Okay, Sarah, picture this. I am at a coffee shop. I see someone sitting at a table. I want to sit there too. What do I say?
You need an icebreaker. An icebreaker is a small phrase to break the silence. The easiest one is about the chair.
The chair?
Yes, you can simply ask, "Excuse me, is this seat free?"
Is this seat free? That is easy.
It is very safe. You're not asking for a big conversation yet. You're just being polite.
Okay, they say yes. I sit down. Now what? Do I just drink my coffee silently?
You could, but if you want to make a friend, you need to introduce yourself, but keep it casual.
How casual? Can I say, hello, my name is Michael?
That is a little formal. It sounds like a business meeting. Try this instead. Hi, I'm Mike, by the way.
I'm Mike, by the way. I like that. The by the way makes it sound very relaxed.
Exactly. It signals that you are friendly, but not pushing too hard.
Okay, I have another situation. What if there are no chairs? What if I'm just standing near someone, maybe at a bus stop or in a line?
In that case, use a compliment. A compliment is when you say something nice about the other person.
Oh, I know this. You are beautiful.
No, Mike, stop. That is too strong. That sounds like a romance movie. We want to make a friend, not a boyfriend or girlfriend.
Oops, sorry. So what should I say?
Comment on something they have. For example, "I like your shoes. Are they comfortable?" Or, "That's a cool bag. Where did you get it?"
Ah, I see. I like your bag. It's simple and it's safe.
Yes, and listen to the question I added. Where did you get it? This is key. Do not just make a statement. Ask a question.
Because a question needs an answer. If I just say, nice bag, they might just say, thanks, and turn away.
Exactly. We want to start a game of tennis. You hit the ball, they hit it back. You need to keep the ball moving.
Okay, so we're talking, but now comes the hard part, the conversation. I always run out of things to say. I usually say, how are you? And then silence.
How are you is boring. Everyone says, "Good, thanks." We need open questions.
What is an open question?
It's a question that needs a long answer, not just yes or no. My favorite one is, "So, what brings you here?"
What brings you here? That means, why are you at this place?
Yes, it works everywhere. If you're at a party, it means, "Who do you know here?" If you're at a city event, it means, "Why did you come?"
Let's try a role play. I'm at a park.
Okay, I'm sitting on a bench reading a book.
Excuse me, is anyone sitting here?
No, it's free.
Thanks. Sits down. Wow, it is such a nice day today.
Yes, it is beautiful.
I'm Mike, by the way.
Hi, Mike, I'm Sarah.
Nice to meet you, Sarah. So what brings you to the park today?
Oh, I just needed some fresh air. I love reading outside.
That worked perfectly. You told me you like reading. Now I can ask about books.
See? You found common ground. Common ground is something you both like.
So I can ask, what kind of books do you like?
Yes, and another great question for finding common ground is, what do you do for fun?
What do you do for fun? That's better than, what are your hobbies, right?
Much better. Hobbies sounds like a textbook word. What do you do for fun sounds like a real person.
Okay, Sarah, I have one more big fear.
What is it?
Leaving.
Leaving?
Yes, sometimes I talk to someone and the conversation is finished, or I need to go, but I don't want to be rude. I don't want to just walk away.
Ah, the exit strategy. This is very important. You need a phrase that signals the end.
Give me a magic phrase, Sarah.
Try this. Well, it was really nice meeting you.
Well, it was really nice meeting you.
The word well at the start is a soft signal. It tells the other person, I'm gonna go now.
And then I can add, I should get going.
Perfect. I should get going. It's polite. It means I have things to do.
But wait, if I like this person and I want to see them again, how do I ask? Asking for a phone number is scary.
Don't ask for a phone number immediately. It can feel too personal. Ask for social media.
Like Instagram or WhatsApp?
Yes, you can say, do you have Instagram? We should keep in touch.
We should keep in touch. I love that phrase. It means, let's talk again later.
Let's put it all together in one final recap.
Okay, step 1, break the ice. Is this seat free? Or, I like your shoes.
Step 2, introduce yourself casually. I'm Sarah, by the way.
Step 3, ask open questions. What brings you here? Or, what do you do for fun?
Step 4, leave politely. Well, I should get going. It was nice meeting you.
And step 5, connect. Let's keep in touch. Do you have Instagram?
You have the toolkit now, Mike. How do you feel?
I feel ready. I feel like I can go to a cafe right now and make a new friend.
That's the spirit. And remember, listeners, most people are friendly. They want to talk to you.
Even if your English is not perfect?
Especially if your English is not perfect. People are kind. If you smile and try, they will appreciate it.
Connection is more important than perfection.
Exactly. Don't worry about grammar. Just connect.
We want to hear from you guys now too. We have a question for the comments section.
Yes. Tell us, what is your favorite question to ask a new friend? Do you ask about food, travel, work?
Write your favorite question in the comments below. We read every single comment.
And if you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. It really supports the channel.
And share this with a friend who's learning English. Maybe practice these phrases together.
Thank you so much for listening. Be brave, be kind, and go say hello to someone new.
See you in the next lesson. Bye.
Bye, everyone.